Today I got these dramatic ass lashes on. Thank you for tuning in. If you're feeling this look, stay tuned and I can show you exactly how I got this. Yo guys, if you watch my makeup videos, I am very calm, natural. My makeup videos is not over the top. Well, that's what I think. It just be looking natural. Today I got these dramatic ass lashes on, and you know, just testing the waters with lashes. I think they're cute. I've been getting a lot of compliments on them, but I'm not gonna ramble up too much and I'm gonna get straight into this video. This is cute and calm cut crease that I just created for you guys. I know the holidays are here, and I know you want to throw on some makeup and you want to go out, you want to spend time with your boo, your family, whatever, but you want to keep it cute. Okay, you want to throw on some makeup, go and get these cheap eyeshadows. They are really good and affordable. This was like maybe $3. It's LA Colors eyeshadow, and it has the exact, like, it has these nice colors. Okay, this is like the perfect smoky, like you can do so much with this. And today I did a gold cut crease, so stay tuned. I can show you guys exactly how I got this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Okay guys, so we're gonna take our LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Warm Honey. I'm using my beauty blender. Don't mind it, it's a little raggedy, but it's what I use to set my eyelids. I'm gonna go over it with the translucent powder. This is the natural AIRSPUN translucent powder. We're gonna start with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this light brown for my base. We're just gonna blend that out evenly. Now I'm gonna go in with the dark chocolate color. I'm gonna work on the outside of my eyelids and in the inner corner crease. Now we're going to take our angle brush and the same concealer and just create this sharp wing. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'm going to set it with some translucent powder. Setting it with translucent powder has the color looking more pigment, like so. This gold, guys, is so pigment. I only used it like one time and it was like really gold. So I paired it with this whiter gold on the inner corner of my eyes because I wanted, like, I just didn't want it all gold. And then I went back and forth blending it out. We're gonna work on the face. I'm gonna take my 24-hour Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the full coverage in the color 355. I'm gonna go with the same concealer, the Warm Honey from LA Pro Girl. Also guys, I'm using this beauty blender and it's not damp. Yup, I said it, it's not damp. For some reason, using a dry beauty blender have your face looking more matte and more like it lasts longer. My makeup lasts all day, all the time. Sometimes I use a wet beauty blender, but today I didn't use it because I wanted my face to last for the whole entire night. Doing this method, your face won't crease and your face won't grease. So you can give it a try. I love doing this. I'm just gonna blend that out some more, and I'm gonna take my e.l.f. brush. This is a contouring brush, and just contour my face just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna go over with the AIRSPUN translucent powder and just tightly put that on my face. Applying the translucent powder, you have to put it on tightly so that when you dust it off, it comes off evenly and not like all over the place. Now I'm going to use a bigger brush to dust it off. Now we're gonna work on our wing line. Guys, I had a little bit of difficulties on my wing line, so bear with me with this one. I do fix it at the end, and I'll show you exactly how I did that. I was like really feeling how this side came out, guys. Like it took one shot. I realized that the top was a little bit blotchy. My eyeshadow, so I had to go over it and clean it up. I wanted a dramatic wing liner, but for some reason this eye was giving me a hard time. But nothing some concealer can't fix, okay? Now I'm going to apply this mascara. I'll leave all the description to every product down below. This is so affordable, guys. Everything I'm using is really affordable. I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush over my contour and apply a little bit of mascara at the bottom of my lashes. Guys, this look came out so beautiful. And of course, you gotta apply some gold on your brow bones, and also at the tip of the corner of your eyes, add more gold so you can pop more. I also just highlighted a little bit with my fingers. For some reason, I like using my fingers. So today, I'm using this method that I have been starting to do, guys. Oh my god, you see what I'm using on my lips? It's this eyebrow thing, like, I don't know. It's an eyebrow filler by Ardell Professionals, and I have been lining my lips with it. Using this has the liner staying for hours. I could drink, I could lick my lips, do anything, and the liner stays for hours, guys. Like, I'm so serious. You should try it. Now, I'm going to use my Forever 21 Plumpalicious lip gloss. This is in a nude color. I love this lip gloss so much. It has your lips looking really big. It makes your lips feel really soft. I like to go over it with my fingers so that it could blend in with the liner. And then I just added a little bit of lotion because your girl was ashy. Look how pigment this eyeshadow is, guys. I'm so in love and I'm so happy I bought this. It was only like $3 for the eyeshadow, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and comment below if you was digging this. I love you. I want you to be great and enjoy.